Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome back to all my returning subscribers. So I'm doing an unboxing. I just received my HTV RONT auto heat press and I'm super excited. This thing is super heavy. It was a struggle trying to get it out the box, but I managed to get it out. So I'm here just opening up the box, and it does come with an instruction manual as well as a Teflon sheet for the press so that you can protect your garment from the press. So that comes in handy. And this is a beautiful teal color. I love this color right here. It's like a light blue teal. This is one of my favorite colors. I actually thought I purchased it in white, but it's okay because I love this color, like I said. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. I am going to pull out the plate. And it does come with a heat mat, so that's a plus. And I absolutely love this. I already used it. I'm going to show you guys the process. But that button I just pressed, that's so that you can put it up and down. But it also has its own auto press button. So it automatically does it for you, which is hence auto heat press. So today's designs is going to be Harry Potter themed vacation shirts for my amazing friend Ashley and her best friend Katrina. So shout out to you girls for letting me do these shirts for you. So I'm using the Design Space app to size up my images because we are going to be using heat transfer vinyl in white. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly size this up, and I'm going to show you guys a little trick because I love to use another site for fonts, especially if I want it to match up exactly with the certain theme that I'm going for or that the customer wants on their shirts as add-ons. So right here I'm just sizing up both of these designs, and then the Bestie strip, I actually made that myself using a site called Font Generator, which is it right here. So it generates the fonts for you, so you can actually search whatever theme you're looking for. So in this case, I searched Harry Potter, and I was able to get the font for that. And all you do is save it to your computer or your phone, and then you can upload it to your Design Space app or whatever app you're using. So I'm going to go ahead and mirror the image, and then I'm going to go and let the machine cut it, and then we're going to go ahead and weed it out, and we're going to use my press because that's mainly what the video is for. So I'm going to catch up with you guys in a little bit. I'm going to let the machine do its thing, and we'll go from there. So prior to putting the design on your shirt, you always want to preheat your shirt. So I'm going to go ahead and let that do its thing. And as you can see, the press automatically goes down and up when it's done. I absolutely love this machine, guys. Like, you guys, I'm obsessed. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and use my t-shirt ruler to make sure that I am centering my image where it's supposed to be. So once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and apply the design. I did cut off the glasses part on the design because for some reason, when I flipped the image, it didn't, I guess the machine didn't recognize a certain part of the glasses. So it just cut out a little bit of it, if that makes sense. So we're going to go ahead and just cut that part again. So I'm going to go and place this where I want to, remove the ruler, apply my Teflon sheet. You always want to protect your design and your garment from your press. We're going to let it do its thing, and then it's going to automatically go up when it's time. So we have about 3 seconds left, and then you're going to see it once again go up. Boom. That's a beauty right there. Like, I just can't get enough of this press. So once that's done, we're going to go ahead and let it cool off for a few minutes. And then we're going to come right back, as you can see, right back, boom. Put the glasses on there. We're going to let that do its thing again. So I'm going to go ahead and let it press for a few seconds. I'm just putting it more up so that it's in the center. I'm going to go ahead and apply my Teflon sheet again and let the auto press do its thing. Okay, so it's done. And don't mind me being a little silly during doing this voiceovers. I'm just having a good time chatting with you guys, showing you guys the process and all that good stuff. So now that this first shirt is done, we're going to go ahead and do the second one. So my camera ended up cutting off, but I was able to finish both shirts and they both came out amazing. I'm showing you guys the first one. The second one is coming as well. Thank you all for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I absolutely love this auto press. The link will be down below. I'll see you all in my next one.